Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to reset your HubSpot password in 2025. If you've ever forgotten your password or just want to secure your account, this guide has got you covered. Stick around till the end because I'll also share a tip to make your account even more secure. Go to HubSpot login page first, open your web browser, and go to the HubSpot login page. You can do this by typing hubspot.com/login in your address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see fields for your email and password. Click Forgot My Password below the password field. Click on the Forgot My Password link. This will take you to the password reset page. Here, HubSpot will ask you to enter the email address associated with your account. Make sure you use the email you registered with HubSpot. Submit your email. After entering your email, click Submit. HubSpot will now send you an email with instructions to reset your password. If you don't see it in your inbox within a few minutes, check your spam or promotions folder. Sometimes it lands there. Open the reset email. Open the email from HubSpot and click the Reset Password button. This link is only valid for a limited time, so make sure to use it as soon as possible. Create a new password. You'll be redirected to a page where you can enter your new password. Make sure it's strong. Use a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Avoid simple or commonly used passwords to keep your account secure. After typing your new password, confirm it and click Reset Password. Log in with your new password. Now your password has been successfully reset. Go back to the login page, enter your email and your new password, and you're in. To make your HubSpot account even more secure, enable two-factor authentication in your account settings. This adds an extra layer of protection and ensures only you can access your account. And that's it. Resetting your HubSpot password is that simple. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and share this video with anyone struggling to log into HubSpot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.